Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream easy method. Combine cream, milk, sugar, and flavor, then churn or freeze and stir until it reaches scoopable texture. Start with good quality dairy and balance sweetness to taste. If using an ice cream maker, follow manufacturer fill limits. For no churn, freeze in a shallow container and whip cream thoroughly before folding in sweetened condensed milk and flavoring. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and warm your base slightly to dissolve sugar faster. Chill the mixture before churning to reduce ice crystal formation and improve texture. For custard bases, temper eggs carefully and cook to about 170 degrees F for safety and structure. Cool the custard quickly in an ice bath, then refrigerate until very cold before churning to shorten freeze time and create a smoother final ice cream. Keep tools and containers cold to help reduce melting during handling and speed up freezing. When hand stirring, use a shallow pan and stir every 20 to 30 minutes for several rounds to mimic churning. Temper mix-ins by cooling them first to prevent melting or clumping. Rest homemade ice cream in the freezer for at least 2 hours to firm up before scooping to achieve scoopable consistency and peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.